Thanks for voting on this rather technical term, functional templates. I want to show it because it made my life a lot better and easier, and it's a very small step to implement. My first impression was wrong. I thought, yeah, functional templating, it's very technical and probably has to do with functional programming languages, and it sounds very nerdy. It's not. So what it's about code separation, and it helps a lot to reduce copy-paste code in handlebars templates. So usually, if you have a handlebars template, especially in Ember, but also in the Java backend, you have one part, which is your handlebars template with this mustache thingy stuff and your layout. And you have a second part of your component view whatsoever, which is implementing code, usually in JavaScript, maybe in Java, which provides the functionality and the action handlers for the template and also the data bindings. So you produce some data, which you could then use in your template to render your output. And this is a good thing because it's separation of concerns, but sometimes it isn't. Oh, thanks a lot. Because there, of course, in my controller component, whatsoever programming part, I want to react on actions, I want to fetch data, I want to do all my business logic stuff as far as there. And in my template, I only want to cope with rendering. Okay, if this field is set, then I have maybe a small list. But for this if, maybe I have a condition and handlebars not always supports this. For Ember, there are truth helpers. Is this business logic? No. So this rendering output, neither. So where to put it? And there are very different opinions, and I rather like it to be in my handlebars template because its only purpose is the generated output. If I have a if condition, whether to show a specific block, if I have a list sorting algorithm, which sounds easy enough to copy paste, but it isn't. I will give you an example. I don't want to like blow up my, or extend the size of my controller code and invent some properties which serve one purpose to be iterated over in my template. I have the sort example here. I tried a bit. It's a handlebars template. I experimented with it in a live project, and I came to a point where I had very small components which I could reuse really easily, which do not generate any DOM elements or any output. And this is my personal, maybe, definition of a functional template. It does not produce rendered output, but it's still very useful. So I think I don't have to explain the example. So I have usually I prefix those components with an X, and it just emits a new variable into my local scope. And of course, in the terms of the sorting, you could say, yeah, it's so simple, it's just a function. Yeah, well, okay, sometimes I sort by a property and not by the value itself. Okay, I can implement this. So, and maybe I get a call from a customer and he says, well, I have friends, they have lowercase names. And it influences the sorting, and they are sorted to the top. I don't want that. Okay, I don't expect this to happen, but maybe I fix it and I lowercase it. But if I sort by the age, okay, I don't lowercase integers, maybe. I have to change the implementation, and then it reaches a level of complexity where it's worth reusing. Also, other helpers can be very useful. For example, if I load the ID object mapping and I want to iterate over it, same example, basically. So it's just a data model conversion. It's also possible to do in the server-side rendered handlebars. I will show a library we use in the end. Same game, it writes and reads a bit different, but it works fine. There's a hashtag missing because I made the slide just before the talks. If you want to see the implementing code, which I didn't show you, please write me an email. If I get too many to answer, I will write a blog post. So don't be shy. I think if it reaches 2 emails, I write a blog post. So here are some links with the reference I used and the blog article which inspired the idea. It's called Functional Templating in Ember, and they provide a library already. Thank you very much.